Emotional detachment results in the disengagement of feelings and interferes with people's ability to connect with people's emotions and social development. Emotional detachment has several causal effects, which include significant loss, traumatic growing experience, emotional or physical abuse, mental stress issues like depression and personality disorders. Emotional detachment is usually characterized by unwillingness to express emotions or open up to people in your life, which often leads to loneliness and, in some cases, depression. 5 signs of emotional detachment in people include experience of unease with other people's emotions. People with emotional detachment often feel uncomfortable when other people talk about their feelings. They feel weird having nothing comforting to say or proffering possible solutions to problems that other people may be facing. Although it is normal to have nothing to say over people's pain or suffering, they prefer to offer no comforting action and build walls to prevent such interactions. Keeping feelings, emotions private. People who are emotionally detached often see the need to act strong in groups, so others do not see their worries and problems as signs of weakness. When they go through bad times, they prefer to be quiet about it and struggle through their difficulties alone, without giving other people in their life a chance to share their bad moments. Their inability to communicate their problems often affects their relationships, as they're most likely not emotionally available to their partners or family, continually blocking out people that care for them. Disguise pain with smiles and sarcasm. Most people who are emotionally detached from others will frequently hide their actual pains and sufferings with smiles and jokes to distract people from seeking to bond with them emotionally. This way, they don't bear the real suffering to anyone and give themselves a break from the bad happenings around them, which causes emotional stress and overthinking. When people have no opinions on the problems they have to solve, the burden overwhelms them, and other emotional stress disorders kick in and mess around with their psychological health. Anger or irritation when people try to connect to your problem. People that are emotionally detached from others often get angry when people try to talk about their problems. When people notice their coldness and inability to be emotionally available to people around them, they feel attacked and are defensive. They use their anger to disguise how they genuinely feel, and it pushes people farther away from them. You break relationship bonds. Because they prefer to stay alone and fight their wars solo, they break all forms of bonds that will result in vulnerability or emotional attachments, including friendship, romantic, and even family relationships. They're permanently closed up, and they think that any form of emotional attachments or support from people will cause them harm, rejection, or betrayal in the future. In most cases, emotional detachment causes the feeling of loneliness and desolation. In such cases, it's advisable to seek professional help that may involve medication and therapy.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.